Welcome. Today in front of me VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first let's open the phone application, and after that tap on the right upper corner, then click here to call settings and tap to block unwanted calls, then click here to block listed numbers. And now we can see here to this block number. You can just click here, hold for a while the number to delete it, and click here to delete, then confirm your action by click here, and that's it. If you wanna just select and delete a couple of numbers, so 2 or 3 together, you can select them and then just click here to delete and confirm your action, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.